Hey guys, today I'll show you how to create a board in Monday.com. First, log into your Monday.com account and open your workspace. On the left hand sidebar, click the big plus button, then select Board. From there, you'll be asked to choose a board type, either main, private, or shareable, depending on who you want to give access to. Next, give your board a name. For example, marketing task or product roadmap. You can also select a template if you want a pre-made setup. Monday.com offers templates for project management, CRM, task tracking, and more, which can save time if you're new to the platform. Once your board is created, add groups, items, and columns to organize your workflow. Each item represents a task, and columns can track details like status, owner, deadline, or priority. You can also customize column types like text, date, dropdown, or people assignments. And that's how you create a new board in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.